A husky puppy meets a kitten for the first time, overflowing with excitement. The kitten hesitates, unsure of the energetic fluff ball, but soon realizes this playful giant means no harm. Boops turn into swipes, zoomies into pounces, and a hilarious standoff slowly transforms into friendship. The kitten takes charge, proving that size doesn't define bravery, while the husky happily follows along. As their energy fades, they settle side by side, their playful rivalry turning into the start of an unbreakable bond.